Hello and welcome to the Edutrainex learning channel, and I'm your host Anurag. You might have heard different things about the PTE test from different people, and everyone has a totally different point of view or their secret mantras to crack the PTE test. So I thought to make this video to share 5 PTE exam secrets that everyone must know before they prepare for the test. Secret number 1. There is no magic button. PTE is an English language test, and you need to definitely improve your English skills. You can't just learn the tricks and crack the exam to get your desired score, although the tricks and the strategies can definitely help you a lot, especially in the task which you are having difficulty with. But for the remaining, you certainly need to elevate your English language skills. So practice and improve and learn from your mistakes. Simple things like improving your typing skills, identify which tasks trouble you, and then work on it. Secret number 2. Brute force attack doesn't work. Brute force is when you just primarily apply only strength without having any strategic planning or tactics. So if you think you can just crack the PTE test only by practicing thousands of questions, you're wrong here, my friend. PTE questions only repeat for a certain amount of time. And even if you by heart hundreds of PTE repeated questions, you might only get a handful of them in the exam, and that too if you are lucky. So everyone needs a different plan because their strengths and their weaknesses differ. You can definitely use the PTE strategies and the tricks that we suggest that will definitely support you in your PTE preparation, but you still need to perfect yourself in using those strategies and also at the same time improve your English skills. Secret number 3. Having the right approach always works. The proper techniques and strategies are the core components of getting the required marks in the PTE exam. If you don't have someone to guide you, it's best to have an expert who can help you with your weak points and also make a personalized study plan just for you. Comment below if you need a template for a study plan and we can provide it to you for free. By the way, have you observed the Australian cricket team? They always have a plan of attack for each of the players in the opponent team. Same way, you also need to plan your attack for each of the PTE tasks. In simple words, plan your attack, get help from the strategies, and then practice a lot of them. You will definitely succeed in the test. Secret number 4. Having access to a good PTE learning software. Right practice software plays a very significant role in preparing you well for the PTE exam. This doesn't mean that you should enroll yourself anywhere that provides PTE learning. You need to find the correct platform and the software for it. There are specific criteria on which you can judge whether the software will serve you best or not. These are the points that can help you in analyzing that. Choose a software by analyzing whether its strategies are smart and easy to follow. Take a look at the materials and software features because they will make a big difference in your PTE preparation. Feedbacks and assessments are very crucial for you to analyze yourself. Therefore, look for a provider that provides you constant evaluations and feedbacks. Next, also go for a software that will regularly communicate with you and provide you with essential consultations. And then, look for a platform that provides live classes and live practice sessions. Such a software will ensure that there is always someone by your side to help you whenever you need help. So use this to pick your best PTE learning provider. Secret number 5 is surviving the PTE test environment itself. So unlike any other exams, PTE is not a quiet one. There will be a lot of nervous students who will make a lot of noise, especially when you're attempting the PTE speaking section. So you have to sit continuously for 2 hours without any breaks, and this can be really stressful. So whenever you are preparing, make sure you practice in real test-like conditions and also make sure that you do a lot of full-length mock test questions before you go to the test. Check out our video on the PTE test day tips and learn more about this. So hope this video gives you the essential pointers in your PTE preparation, and do explore our other videos and comment if you want to know something that we have not covered yet. Don't forget to like and subscribe.